So this one says, what is this series written in sigma notation? Well, one of the things that Mr. Adams, I've said it and mentioned it a couple times. This is the sigma notation. The reason it's called sigma is that this right here is the capital Greek letter for sigma, okay? And so what we're going to do is we're going to say K equals a lower boundary. Now I could put 1 or I could put 0. If I put 1, I've got to remember at some point in time that I've got to raise a power to K minus 1, okay? Because I want this first term to be raised to the 0. Now remember, to do this, I'm going to need my initial term times the common ratio raised to this power, and then I need my upper boundary here, okay? So this is the upper boundary, or the number of terms. So for this one, my initial value, this is A1. In other words, over here, A1 is equal to 2.5. My common ratio is what I multiply by every time. 1.2, 1.2, 1.2, okay? And then the total number of terms, the last term, is 87. So they just want us to write it in sigma notation. So sigma notation, or summation notation. Oh, that was horrible. Oh no, that was bad. Summation notation. We say K equals 1. Up here I'm going to put 87 because that's the total number of terms. My initial value is 2.5 raised or multiplied by the common ratio. Did I say initial ratio? This is the initial term. This is the common ratio. I'm tired. I've been teaching all week. And then up here, I'm going to raise that to the K minus 1. So I don't know if any of the words I said made any sense, but what I wrote down is the correct answer. Oh, I got to correct that. Remember how we have K minus 1? I just realized something. Well, we want to have 87. So if I plug in 87 here, 87 minus 1, that's only going to get me raised to the power of 86. So technically, n has to be 88. Phew, good catch. Okay, because I have this K minus 1 here. In other words, the very last term is going to be 88 minus 1. That's how I get to 87. And so that's why for my upper boundary, I got to put this. And I said the number of terms. Yeah, don't worry about what I said. It's my last example for the week. What I have written down is correct. If you have questions, you can just ask me, okay?